Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the carnivore diet and intermittent fasting. These are two popular diets that have been shown to have a number of health benefits. In this video, I'll discuss what these diets are, how they work, and some of the potential benefits they can offer. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only includes meat, fish, and animal products. It eliminates all other foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and dairy. The diet was popularized by Dr. Sean Baker, who argues that humans are evolutionarily designed to eat meat and that a diet that is high in animal products is the healthiest way to eat. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that involves alternating periods of fasting and eating. There are many different ways to do intermittent fasting, but the most common method is to fast for 16 hours each day and eat during an 8-hour window. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. How do the carnivore diet and intermittent fasting work together? The carnivore diet and intermittent fasting can be used together to create a powerful weight loss and health-boosting combination. The carnivore diet provides the body with all the nutrients it needs, while intermittent fasting helps to reduce insulin levels and promote fat burning. When combined, these two diets can help you lose weight, improve your health, and feel your best. Potential benefits of the carnivore diet and intermittent fasting. The carnivore diet and intermittent fasting have been shown to offer a number of potential benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, reduced risk of chronic diseases. How to do the carnivore diet and intermittent fasting. If you're interested in trying the carnivore diet and intermittent fasting, here are a few tips. Start slowly. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start by adding more meat to your diet and gradually reduce your intake of other foods. Listen to your body. If you feel tired, sluggish, or have any other negative symptoms, take a break or adjust your diet. Talk to your doctor. If you have any health concerns, talk to your doctor before starting the carnivore diet or intermittent fasting. Conclusion. The carnivore diet and intermittent fasting are two powerful tools that can be used to improve your health and lose weight. If you're looking for a way to improve your health and reach your weight loss goals, these diets may be worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.